Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is graphics, turtle graphics. Okay, so turtle graphics is an implementation of the popular geometric drawing tools introduced in Logo, developed by Wally Fiorgic and Seymour Papert of the Cynthia Solomon in 1967. In Python, turtle graphics provides a representation of a physical turtle, a little robot with a pen that draws on a sheet of paper on the floor. It is an effective and well proven way for learners to encounter programming concepts and interactions with software, as it provides instant visible feedback. It also provides convenient access to graphical output in general. Turtle drawing was originally created as an educational tool to be used by teachers in the classroom. For the programmer who needs to produce some graphical output, it can be a way to do that without the overhead of introducing more complex or external libraries into their work. New users should start here. In this tutorial, we will explore some of the basics of the turtle drawing. Starting a turtle environment in a Python shell, import all the objects of the turtle modulus from turtle import. You see, friends, from turtle import, that starting turtle environment. If you run into a no module named dash tkintar, okay, dash tkintar error, you will have to install tk interface package on your system. Basic drawing: send the turtle forward 100 steps. So forward in here 100, not 200 steps. So I write 200 steps, forward 200. Okay, you should see a line drawn by the turtle heading east, and change the directions of the turtle so that it turns 120 degrees left. Okay, so 170 degrees left. So left means anti-clockwise. Let's continue by drawing a triangle. Forward 200, left 100, left 170s. Okay, okay, so forward and right, notice that the turtle represented by an arrow points in different direction as you steer it. Experiment with those comments and also with backward and right. Pen control: try changing the color. For example, color blue, color red. The width of the line, for example, width 3. Okay, width also we also give. Okay, in here you do not, I do not use width. And xy coordinate, for the xy coordinate you see that blue, yellow, this way. Okay, so let's check at first our program. Okay, you see that this way it is moving. In here I use while loop. Okay, so now in case I have written in here forward 200 and left 170. Okay, and if abs means absolute pose less than 1 and break, abs pose less than 1 is a good way to know when the, you see in here abs, okay, abs, okay, ab is good way to know when the turtle is back at its home positions. Finally complete the filling and fill. This selections covers some typical turtle using cases. So from turtle import start, turtle graphics tutorial covers this approach. So I hope I can give some idea this turtle, and my program is successful in here. And if you wish, you can change, you can create your own way. Thanks for watching.